in an organization like this before, and I doubt if I will see a thing like this in the future also. Also in internships, especially, I saw how the mentors they were guiding us, caring for us, and especially Kaviarya sir. Like I really respect him. Like he always values words of the students. He always values what a student has to say. We should just start writing an algorithms for basic working of the task, and then later on we should be adding testing for different test cases, and we should be adding algorithms to handle that test cases. So at the initial stages, you should not expect us to write such a robust algorithm. We should just start writing for step by step. We should be improving our algorithm. Our department knows we participated in e-Yantra last time and we finals and we won. So for this year we were able to get a fund a bit easily from the department, so they know that we are worthy of doing the project. So they had a faith on us, so we were funding our project. They are funding.
First, we understood the working of each sensor, like line sensor, color sensor, how it works, like on the YouTube channel, like howtomechatronics.com, and then we implemented it in our code.
There was a story that there was a person who was stuck inside the tunnel, and he used to dig away to come outside the tunnel. But every day he used to get demotivated that now I will never find the end to the tunnel. In the prayer it was written, never give up till the last moment. Like keep trying and you may find light at the other end in the next tick. So it's just for us that similar thing has happened. Like we were almost given up on task 5, but then we kept on trying. Like we thought what we have to lose. Like the only thing we lose is more gracefully. But without trying, if we lose, then it's the worst thing we can do. I'll just like to say that keep trying till the last moment and never give up.
This was a once in a lifetime opportunity that I got the hardware for free. On top of that, e-Yantra provided me with the kits and an FPGA board, which was fairly expensive. So if not for e-Yantra, I don't think I would have done such a project at this level. So I think that is a very big factor, that e-Yantra supports you and basically provides you with all the resources that you need to carry out such a nice engineering challenge.
e-Yantra was a really transformative experience for me, because when we started this, I was kind of feeling very bad about myself, because my friends were doing internships. I hadn't done any internships. I was not that confident at coding, etc. So when this semester started, I set a goal in which I wanted to equip myself. I want to upskill myself in a manner in which I will be very proud, and I will be able to show on my resume that I have done these things. And at this moment, when I look back at participating at e-Yantra and all the things I have done, I'm very proud, and I actually have no regrets at all at the decisions I have made, and I'm very confident that I'll be able to further tackle the challenges I am.
So I will tell it as a gift. Actually, I would say it is really underrated. The people from the outside, they don't realize how much fun we are having. Like Sanjay said, we'll be sitting till 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, midnight. Our friends will be asking, how can you sit till that, and how are you working that much time? Aren't you tired? They will be asking like that. But what we are really having is real fun. We'll be enjoying throughout. Even though we are tired, it was like relaxation for us actually. So it was really, really fun this year.